Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important goal at copywriting question. Why should a customer choose your ad instead of other advertising appearing beside it? Many local business write ad that correctly mention the service, but the advertisement still sound almost identical to every competitor. They use phrases such as professional service, affordable prices, trusted expert, and contact us today. This statement may sound positive, but they do not give the customer a strong reason to choose one business over another. In that presentation, we will learn what a value differentiator is, how it affects customer psychology, how to identify genuine business advantages, where to use them, and how to measure whether they attract better quality customer. Do not tell customer what service you provide. Tell them why your business is safer, faster, or more suitable choice. Let's begin with the problem of generic advertising. This is my first presentation slide. Here I describe about your ad offer the same service as everyone else. Let's imagine a customer searching emergency plumber near me. This customer may see several advertisements from local plumbing companies. Most of the businesses offer the same basic service. So the customer must quickly decide which company appear most relevant, most trustworthy, and easier to contact. Now imagine these three advertisements. The first one says professional plumbing service, contact us today. The second says reliable local plumbers, request a quote. And the third says 24 by 7 emergency plumber, license and secure. Call now. The first two advertisements are not necessarily incorrect, but they sound generic. The third advertisement gives several specific reasons to act. It communicates immediate availability, emergency relevance, trust signal, and a clear next step. The customer can quickly understand that this company may be available now, they appear qualified, and I can call immediately. Mentioning the service explain what the business does. A differentiator explain why the customer should choose it. Without a clear reason to choose, customer may compare ads only by position, brand formality, or the lower apparent price. That can make it difficult for a strong business to stand out. Looking at these three plumbing ads, which business would you call first? And more importantly, what specific word influence your decision? Most people will notice 24 by 7, licensed and insured, secured, and call now. Those phrases reduce uncertainty and make the next action easier. Customer cannot choose your business for advantage your advertisement never communicates. To create a strong advertising, we first need to understand what a real value differentiator is. So, what is a value differentiator? A value differentiator is a specific and meaningful reason to choose one business instead of competing alternatives. It may communicate greater speech, stronger trust, or more convenience, specialized expertise, credible proof, clear pricing, or lower customer risk. But the advertisers must matter to the customer. It should not only sound impressive to the customer owner. A useful formula is customer concern plus meaningful advantage plus credible proof. Let's compare generic claims with stronger differentiator. The generic claim is high quality service. A strong differentiator is workmanship warranty. The generic claim is trusted company. A stronger version is 4.9 star from more than 300 reviews. The generic claim is fast service. A stronger version is same day appointment. A generic claim is experienced team. A stronger version is serving local homes since 2012. And instead of affordable pricing, the business could say upfront pricing, no hidden fees. Specifically makes the advantage easier to understand and believe. For example, professional AC repair only describe the service positively, but same day AC repair, certified technician, and upfront pricing communicate three customer benefit: speed, trust, and cost clarity. However, the business must genuinely deliver what the advertisement promise. Do not advertise same day appointment, financing, a warranty, or a specific review rating unless those claims are accurate. A differentiator is not simply a positive adjective, it is available customer advertise. It's also a thing to believe customer that why should they choose your ad. Now let's examine why these advantages influence click and lead quality. So why differentiator improve ad performance? Customers usually compare Google ad very quickly. They do not carefully study every sentence. They look for signals that make one option feel safer, more relevant, or easier to choose. Strong differentiators reduce unnecessarity. They help customer answer questions such as, can this business help quickly? Can I trust the provider? Will the price or process be clear? Is booking convenient? Do the do other customer recommend them? And what make this company worth closing? Different searches create different customer priorities. For an emergency plumber search, important differentiator may include 24/7 availability, fast response, licensed technician, and call now option. For roof replacement, the customer may care about free inspection, financing, a workmanship warranty, and a proof of previous project. For a family dentist, useful differentiator may include dental care, insurance acceptance, patient review, and convenient booking. For commercial HVAC, customer may respond to certified specialist, maintenance plan, industry experience, and customer case result. For house cleaning service, a strong differentiator may include background checked cleaners, easy schedule, a satisfaction guarantee, a trusted local review. The strongest value point depends on the customer current concern. The right differentiator can also improve lead quality. For example, cheapest cleaning service may attract many price sensitive inquiries, but background checked cleaners with a satisfaction guarantee may attract customers who value relatability and safety. The advertisement may receive fewer clicks, but those clicks may come from a better fit customer. The landing page must then reinforce the same promise. If the ad mentions same day availability, upfront pricing, or a warranty, the customer should see that information again after clicking. Effective differentiator reduce risk, increase relevance, and make contracting the business feel like a safer decision. Let's now rebuild a real emergency plumbing advertisement using this approach. Real world example of emergency plumbing ad. The customer searches emergency plumber in Dallas. Before writing the ad, we should identify the customer likely priorities. They probably care about immediate availability, local service, a trustworthy technician, fast contact, and some clarity about cost. Now look at the generic version. Headline 1, plumbing service of Dallas. Headline 2, professional local plumber. Headline 3, contact us today. The description says, we provide professional plumbing service. Contact our experienced team for assistance. This advertisement is technically relevant, but it does not strongly match the emergency situation. The promise is vague, there is a little proof, the urgency is weak, and the call to action does not reflect the customer immediate need. Now let's improve it. Headline 1, 24/7 emergency plumber. Headline 2, licensed Dallas technician. Headline 3, call for immediate help. And the description says, get fast help for leaks, burst pipes, and urgent plumbing problem. Upfront pricing and local technician available now. This version uses several differentiators. 24/7 availability matches the urgency. Dallas technician confirm local relevance. Licensed reduce trust concern. Upfront pricing reduce cost and anxiety, and call for immediate help matches the customer preferred action. The ad does not mention every advantage the company offer. It selects the advantage that most in an emergency ad. A different service may require a different messages. For a planned bathroom remodeling, 24/7 availability may be less important. The customer may care about design experience, project photograph, financing, and written estimate. The best differentiator effect what the customer care about at the exact moment. Adding more positive claims is not enough. We also need to avoid several common copywriting mistakes. Common value differentiator mistake. The first mistake is using vague clicks. Simple example include best service, quality work, trusted expert, and affordable prices. The phrase sounds similar to almost every competitor. They do not explain what makes the business different. The second mistake is making unsupported claims. Example include number 1 in Dallas, cheapest guarantee, or best plumber in Texas. This statement may reduce credibility and can create policy or customer trust problem. The third mistake is adding too many value points at once. The advertiser tries to mention speed, quality, price, award, years of experience, warranties, financing, and every available service. The result become crowded and no single benefit receive enough attention. The fourth mistake is choosing the wrong differentiator for the search intent. For an urgent water leak, financing available may be possessive than 24 by 7 fast response. The differentiator must match the immediate customer priority. The fifth mistake is competing only on price. Advertisements such as cheapest plumber may attract more price sensitive lead with lower cost close rate and lower customer value. Price can be part of the message, but it should not automatically become the entire value proposition. The sixth mistake is creating an ad to page mismatch. The advertisement promises same day service free estimated to upfront pricing, but after clicking, the landing page does not confirm any of those benefits. That inconsistency creates doubt and damage trust. A strong differentiator must be specific, relevant, credible, and consistently supported. Do not use claims only because they should impress. Use advantage the customer value and the business can prove. Now let's build a repeatable framework to find these advantages. The value differentiator framework. The first step is identify the exact service. For example, emergency plumbing, drain cleaning, AC installation, a roof replacement. The second step is identify the customer main concern. What problem are they experiencing? What are they worried about? What could prevent them from contracting the business? And what matters most in their final decision? For emergency plumbing, the main concern may be speed. For roof replacement, it may be financial risk. For house cleaning, it may be trust and safety. For Google Ad Management, it may be wasted budget and poor lead quality. The third step is list the genuine business advantages. Useful categories include speed, trust, expertise, proof, cost, clarity, convenience, guarantees, and local relevance. The fourth step is add specificity or proof. Transform fast services into same day appointment. Transform highly rated into 4.9 stars from more than 100 reviews. Transform experienced roofer into servicing local homeowners in 2012. The fifth step is select the strongest 2 to 4 points. Prioritize advantages that are relevant to the search, important to the customer, different from competitors, truthful, and reinforced on the landing pages. The sixth step is place them strategically. Use a differentiator across headline, description, callout, asset, site links, landing page section, and trust element. A practical formula is service plus primary differentiator plus proof of offer plus relevant CTA. For example, same day AC repair, certified local AC technician, and requested service. Being with the customer's concern, then connect it to a genuine business advantage. This framework help you choose the value points most likely to influence the decision. Experienced advertiser take this further by matching different differentiator to different search intention. So this is my slide 7. Here I describe about advantage, insight, intent, multiply, differentiator matrix. One business should not always repeat the same value proposition in every ad group. The different service create different customer concern. For emergency plumbing, the main concern is speed and availability. Strong differentiator may include 24 by 7 help, fast response, and licensed technician. The best call to action may be call now. For drain cleaning, the customer may care about convenience, cost clarity, and fast scheduling. Useful differentiator may include same-day service, upfront pricing, and easy booking. The CTA may be book service. For water heater repair, the customer may focus on expertise, relatability, and protection after the repair. Use differentiator may include certified technician, workmanship warranty, and experience with major system. The CTA may be request repair. For sure replacement, the customer may worry about risk, cost, and the size of investment. Useful differentiator may include a free inspection, financing specialist technician, and return project estimated. The CTA may be schedule and inspection. This create an intent by differentiator matrix. Each ad group receive the value proposition most relevant to that customer decision. You can then test on strategic angle at a time. For example, speed focused copy, trust focused copy, proof focused copy, offer focused copy, or convenience focused copy. Do not select a winner by one click-through rate. Measure conversion rate, qualify lead rate, cost per qualify lead, appointment rate, closing rate, and customer value. For example, version A says affordable drain cleaning free estimated. This may generate more price sensitive inquiries. Version B says licensed drain specialist upfront pricing. This version may receive fewer clicks but attract a stronger fit customer. The winning differentiators is one of the that produce the most valuable customer, not necessarily the most clicks. Match the value proposition to the customer's intent, then judge it by downstream result. Let's finish by turning the complete strategy into a practical action plan. Here is the step-by-step process. Step 1. Choose one service or ad group. Do not try to write the entire account at once. Start with the important service. Step 2. Write down the customer's top concern. Identify whether the customer mainly cares about urgency, trust, cost, convenience, expert, or risk. Step 3. List 5 to 10 genuine differentiators. Example include same-day receipt, license and insured, upfront pricing, free inspection, financing available for more than 300 5-star review. Step 4. Remove vague or unsupported claims. Delete claims that lack proof, sound identical to competitors, or do not influence the customer decision. Step 5. Select the strongest 2 to 4 point. Choose the differentiator that best match the service, the search intent, and the customer concern. Step 6. Add them to ads and assets. Use the selected value points across headline, description, callout, and citing. Do not force every advertise into one advertisement line. Step 7. Reinforce them on the landing page. Confirm the same benefit, proof, offer, and trust signal after the customer click. Step 8. Measure qualified customer result. Compare qualified lead, cost per qualified lead, appointments, closed customer, and revenue. The final formula is customer concern plus real business advantage plus specific proof plus relevant CTA equal a strong value differentiator. The objective is not merely to make the advertisement sound better. The objective is to attract customers who value what the business genuinely does for. Move from a generic advertisement to clear differentiators, greater trust, better fit clicks, and qualify customer. Let's summarize the most important lesson. Customer may see several business offering the same local service. Simply mention the service is not always enough to earn their attention trust. A strong advertisement explain why the business is faster, safer, more convenient, more experienced, or easy to choose. But the value point must be specific, relevant, truthful, and supported by proof. Begin with the customer concern, connect it to genuine business advantage and clear proof, and finish with a relevant next action. Do not merely tell searchers what service you provide, give them a credible reason to choose your business instead of the alternatives. Now, I would love to hear your question. If you have any question about Google ad copy, value proposition, customer psychology, lead quality, ad testing, or landing page message match, please feel free to ask me in the comment box. And thanks a lot to everyone to joining with me at this presentation class.